Okay, so some of you are having trouble with submitting the article assignments on your Canvas page. You're not understanding that when you're just sharing the iCloud with me. That's all you're doing. You're just sharing the same document that I posted with you. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So for example, you're going to go here. So you're going to go to your assignment. So for today, so it says, I want you to read the article and answer the questions. I think I have to go back. Let me see. I think I'm on the wrong one. Let's see. Okay. I was on the wrong web page. I had it pulled up where I need it to be. So this should be what you see. Okay. So you see this. So because you have to make sure that your Google account, your school Google account is hooked up to this in order to do this. So you're going to read this, okay? You're going to read all of this and get to the bottom, okay? Okay, so I read all of it. And so in order to check my answers, what I'm going to do is click, I'm going to highlight. So say I think B is the answer. I don't know. I have read the thing, but don't go with my answer. So here's B. Okay, so I'm done. So say I finished all of it. I'm going to click submit. Okay, that means it's submitted with my answers. So that means at that point I can go and Miss Wallace, can look at what I did or at what you did. Okay, so you will submit it, but I can't see your answers. You guys are not highlighting and clicking the blue button up here. Okay, and then it will tell you that it has submitted. Okay. If you have any more questions, shoot me an email.